Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you guys something here. I've been having problems with my spec class slash, and basically what was happening was that the ESC just kept shutting off. I hit a big bump, ESC would shut off. I could bring it back in, turn it on, work again fine, hit a big bump again, and ESC would shut off. So I took the ESC apart, and on the recommendation of another slash guy known as Slash Master, I went ahead and checked all the connections, couldn't find anything, and then I took it apart, checked this just to see. I'm pulling on the wires. These two black ones seem pretty good. The motor positive looks really good. And this is the battery positive. I'm gonna see if I can get this apart, get that bedding out of there, the epoxy bedding, and maybe re-solder it and see if I can save this one. Thanks for looking.